YouTube. It's your boy, Mr. JB, Mr. Arkansas, man. This story right here happened 2 months ago, but it happened in Chicago, Cook County Jail. Yeah, jail. Now, this why it's bad to be what you want to call the cops in the prison system. It's bad when you only got few people in there work with all them inmates in prison. Cause this man right here took a beating. The police officer named Blair Rapid, Rapid or something like that. And the one that did it start with, I can't pronounce his name. He started with an S with the last name Coakley. Now Coakley been in prison for 2022 murder charge. But he just added another charge with this one, beating up the Mr. Blair Pratt. Now he's going to be charged for felony um, battery on a peace officer. Man, let me tell you something. They showed the video how that man got hit. And the crazy part about it, it was only one guard in there. And Mr. Blair Prebick, whatever his name could pronounce, got his tail kicked. It started because of Oak Coakley wanted to use the microwave. He wanted to music. Soon he went to by the office though. Coakley hit him like 3, 4 times. Prepping, try to keep, excuse me, he tried to keep over, but Coakley put them hands on him, picked that man up, and slammed him. When he slammed him, he was hitting him, just beating him. It was another. They showed another police officer in there too, but he was scared to open the door. He should have helped that man. When he seen that man got picked up and slammed, he should have. The other police officer was behind the door in the office, and he opened the door and tried to help him. I tell you, man, it's bad to be a police officer these days. It really is. You try to be a police officer these days, and them inmates see you in there, the police officers gonna realize you gonna be outnumbered in there. In all prisons and jails, you gonna get outnumbered. You in there with them, you working with them, they there, they don't like cops. It's just like being on the outside. It's bad to be a police officer now. Because that boy really put them hands on that cop. Messed him up. This happened 2 months ago. And he still the police officer, uh, I can't pronounce his name, his first name Blair. He took a beating. He's sitting in the police office, in hospital still. Trying to recover. That's one thing I tell people now. people don't forget a whole lot of stuff. Even when they locked up, they still remember stuff, and if they get an opportunity to beat up any police officer, anybody, especially a cop, they're gonna do it. And that man, Prick, Pappet, whatever his name is, he just took a whooping for all of them. That's crazy. That man was 32 years old. Coakley was 32. And he put them hands on that man. I see why he in there for murder. I see why. He might have used his hand for murder. This happened in Chicago. Cook County Jail. I know the next time that officer gonna let that man use that microwave. I know that much. But man, that was a beating that man took. He was hit. He stole on him. He hit him in his face like 3, 4 times. Dude wasn't even paying no attention. He was trying to get in the office with the key. And he was standing right next to him, and he just put that 3-piece on him. And he was the only cop in there. Around all these folks, all them prisoners, inmates. That's why it's rough, man. If you gonna do that job, you gonna need more than one police. First of all, he didn't have his gun, nothing on him. He had no gun, he had no taser, had nothing. He just walked in there with all the inmates with nothing. So you gonna work there, you better have something. Cause them people, they some of them don't have nothing to lose. And you walking around there with nothing in your hand or nothing on you, they don't have nothing to lose. Some of them folks in there for the rest of their life. And some of them don't care if they get out on parole because that's their home. So you give them opportunity to, to do something, they do something to you, they're gonna do it. I feel bad for that guy, but his wife was on there. She said he was recovering, she was crying, but that boy could have killed him. He would have aggravated battery. That's what it was. Felony aggravated battery. They charged him with that. My bad. I was trying to remember the word, but Mr. Coakley gonna be in there some more years anyway. He got locked up in 2022. He just started being in that prison. So whatever it is, the police soon got his tail kicked. Learn your lesson. Have all your stuff on when you in there. And another thing, get you somebody gonna help you. So you got your tail kicked. The other guy didn't come out at all. So hit the like button, share it, like it, subscribe to my channel. I need some more subscribers, some more viewers. Hope I get that. Respect. Huh. I don't know. I don't know about the respect part, but um, YouTube great. I hope I wind up getting monetized. I hope. I've been doing a bunch of videos. I don't know how good it been, but I'm gonna keep trying. Peace out and eat.